Welcome back to Primo ICT lectures. In this video, we are going to learn HTML text formatting tags. Let's get started. And select the folder. Now, let's create a file into this folder. Text for .html and press enter key. So the title of document is text formatting. And we start by bold tag. This tag is used to bold a text or just to change the appearance of text without adding any special importance. For example, let's say HTML is a markup language, but it's better to use a paragraph tag. So let's use a paragraph tag. The next text formatting tag is strong, and I want to explain the difference between strong and bold tag. Here we can say HTML is, and let's use a strong tag, is very important. Is very important. Let's open let's open. So bold tag is used to change appearance, but strong tag is used both to bold a text and add importance to that text. So let's continue. The next text formatting tag is the next text formatting tag is the next text formatting tag is the italic tag. We can say that let's use italic tag and say that I like, let's use this tag HTML so much. And let's save the changes. And here I like HTML so much. So italic, you see that this tag is used to change the appearance of an element into italic. But I want you to understand the difference between the italic and the emphasis tag. Let's use emphasis. We can say HTML and use the emphasis tag. Defines the page structure. So what is the difference between italic and the emphasis? Italic changes the appearance or writes an element into italic without adding any stress or importance, but emphasis is a tag which is used to add importance to a word. So it's able to write a word in italic, but by adding importance to this word. So let's continue with mark tag, another formatting tag called mark tag, which is used to highlight a word with full color. Let's say I can create HTML, and now let's use mark tag and save files. So this tag is used to highlight a word with a color. You see that the word is highlighted. Let me continue with another text formatting tag called small. This tag is used to change a text into a small text. I can say welcome to, and use small tag to our page. So this is a tag used to write a text into small text. Let me continue to another text formatting tag, which is called delete the text tag. We can say this is a tag used to remove a word from a document. We can say that deal HTML for is no longer in use. So this is a tag used to remove a word or an element from the others. The next text formatting tag is inserted text. Is inserted text. So, but it's better to use it together with dir text. Let me use both dir HTML version 4 and use this tag, insert the tag. HTML5 is good, for example, and use this. So this tag is used to insert, the new text. The next text formatting tag is subscript. So I can say the chemical formula is, and let's use sub tag. The chemical formula is H. Here we put 2 and here we put O. Press Ctrl S. This is the chemical formula of water. You can create it by using subscript tag. The following tag is superscript tag. I can say that find, or just I can say, yes, let me use find the answer. Let me say 2 super 5 is equal to what? For example, mathematical equation, this is the superscript tag. Now the next text formatting tag is the code tag, which is used to type computer programming codes. Can say, for example, code print and say is a function in Python. So code is used to create computer programming codes. Let's continue to keyboard input tag. Can say plus kbd c plus kbd a to select everything. It's better to and here let's press control plus a. So now let's continue to another text formatting tags. And the next is called the preformatted text. I can say I like let me use pre-formatted text. I like HTML and CSS. So preformatted tag is used to display the line breaks or just to display the text with spaces within that text. So I like HTML and CSS, or we can change. Let's remove these spaces and do this. I like HTML and CSS. I like HTML and CSS. It is called preformatted text. And now the last one is the abbreviation tag. We can say that CSS, no, ABL tag, abbreviation tag, and say CSS, give it title attribute, title cascading style sheet. Here let's put CSS. So abbreviation of CSS is cascading style sheet. And now, so once we click this word, we will see its abbreviation. Thank you for watching my video. If you find it helpful, please subscribe.